What's the meaning of avoidance? Avoidance. Avoidance.
Avoidance. Avoidance. Avoidance refers to the act of staying away from or preventing something undesirable, either physically or mentally. The result of avoidance can vary depending on the context and situation. In some cases, avoidance may lead to a successful outcome, such as avoiding a dangerous situation that could cause harm. However, in other cases, avoidance can have negative consequences, such as missed opportunities or unresolved issues. Ultimately, the effectiveness of avoidance depends on whether it helps an individual achieve their goals and navigate their surroundings safely and successfully.